You will be amazed by this 2017 Chevrolet Spark. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Chevrolet Spark, the practical subcompact that packs fun, convenience, efficiency, as well as impressive safety and connectivity technology into a nimble two-door hatchback. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, premium sound system, backup camera, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror, adjustable steering wheel. Why make life more complicated than it needs to be? The Spark is one of life's simple pleasures. Drive it today.